Here's the Master Fans. Today we are at a local Menards. See if we can get components to build a computer case. Let's take a look. So you might be surprised to find out that Menards actually has a lot of stuff for computers and other things like that amongst their electrical. So don't sleep on Menards. But we're not going to go with traditional builds today. I think we're going to try and do a wooden computer case and get a little creative with what we use. There's a lot of cable management stuff. We might revisit this later once we get it built, but let's just work on the case for now. So the first thing I want to think about is how are we going to cool this case? Now, besides just standard fans, we've got a lot of interesting options here where we could take actual HVAC ductwork and make something out of it. For instance, we've got these drip pans and things we could make something out of, clean them. And then we've got the heat-resistant cardboard, which we could use for liner as well. But a lot of different options here. And it all kind of comes down to what do we want this to look like? We could even build in a rain cap if we wanted. So the main thing with building a case out of wood is you want something that's got potential for strength and also good airflow. For instance, you wouldn't want to use pegboard despite the fact that airflow would be easy. It's not very strong or sturdy unless it's hanging on a wall. Oak panels probably are the way to go here, but we're going to have to do something about the strength, so it's going to have to be thicker. So I settled on sheathing panels, 2x2s. 3 should be enough to build the case. These are quite a bit lighter than the other panels, so let's see what we can do with it.